thunderstorm and strong winds other than cyclone as a state/local disaster. This is being done because in the past, cyclone was a local state disaster. But sometimes, in fact, more frequently now, we are having more damages because of strong winds, which are not really cyclone category. And then sometimes administration and officials are quite confused and they have to declare it as cyclone, but actually it's in the category of strong winds, but enough to cause damage. So to give clarity, we have decided that we will include thunderstorm and strong winds also in the list. That was the first agenda in the cabinet. It's a continuation of the reforms process that we have started. If you recall earlier, we had made the decision based on different recommendations given by UPSC as well as our own reforms commissions that we have removed the interview process or discontinued the interview process from groups D, if you recall, in the DSCs. So today in the cabinet, we have further gone ahead and we have removed the interviews from the group C post also. And this, of course, group C for non-technical posts. There are certain technical posts under group C also. Those will still continue, and that list of what is technical and not technical, the personnel department will clarify and give the list of which are the technical posts and which are non-technical. And obviously, since this procedure requires a lot of amendments in different rules, because all the service rules, everybody has got their own notifications in this. So the entire administrative process, we're giving them 3 months, 4 months to complete it. So we will make this particular aspect applicable from the 1st of January 2027. So advertisements that come out from that day and ahead of that, beyond that, the interviews for Group C post will no longer be there, will be discontinued. Was creation of a land bank in Makurwat. If you remember, 14 years back when the district was formed, 14 or 11 years, I'm sorry, maybe 11 years, whenever the district was formed, about 11 or 12 years back, funds were given to all those districts to create a land bank, to create their office and administrative setup. Some districts utilized the money and some did not, like Resu and Makurwat did not. About a year back or something, we had cleared the land bank for Makurwat, for Resu, because the money is already with them. It's not that we have to give money. The money has been lying with them for 10 years plus now, but decision was not made on the land bank. So today we have decided on the land bank that is in Makurwat, and this was done as per the procedures followed at the Deputy Commissioner's level, where expression of interest and other procedures were called, and site visits were made, and based on that, 2 proposals were sent to us. The department, the GD department, then again communicated back to the Deputy Commissioner and said that, well, you have to give us 1 proposal. I mean, give the selection that you have. So based on that, the Deputy Commissioner has proposed and a land. So the land at Mountain, rules for the Meghalaya identification, registration, safety and security of migrant workers was amended, and the new provisions where the Honorable Governor had made some observations, those amendments now have been included. At the same time, there are certain more aspects of clarity in terms of definition of officers and the procedure of how they will implement this particular act. Those needed more clarity and more definition. So we have gone deep down into all the aspects of concerned officials who can go and do the inspection, how the inspection will be done, and the different powers that they have, and what activity, with what are the actions they can take. All of these aspects have been clarified, And also, as I said, the fines and the imprisonment and the actions, the legal actions to be taken, those also have been given more clarity in this particular rules. And again, we will be calling all the concerned officials at the grassroots level who will be implementing this. We'll be calling them for a training session, and necessary training will be given to them also. Was the Meghalaya flood plain zoning rules 2026. As you're aware, as per the Government of India's direction, we had the Meghalaya flood plain zoning